Hi, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to clear the browsing data on this device. First we need to open the internet browser. So let's tap on this icon right here to open the Google Chrome browser. In the browser, let's tap on this icon right here in the top right corner to open the menu. Here select the history. And right here we have a browsing history. We can remove the sites one by one by tapping on the bin icon, or we can tap on clear browsing data at the top. And right here we can customize some options for clearing the browsing data. We have basic and advanced categories. The difference is that in basic we have only 3 options we can select to clear, and in advanced we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options we can select. And we have browsing history, cookies and sites data, cached images and files, save passwords, autofill form data, site settings, and media licenses. And in basic we have only browsing history, cookies, sites and data, and cached images. Select the option you like. For example, let's select advanced and then select the all options like this. Once you select the types of data you want to clear, you can go up, and here you have time range. And if you tap on this last hour, right here at the right side, you will have the drop-down list, and you have options like last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and on time. Basically, here you're selecting the time range from which you want to remove the data. And you can select these options. I'm gonna select all the time for the sake of the video. And once you set the settings to your liking, tap on clear data button right here to remove the browsing data like this. And as you can see, the history is completely removed. And that's how you clear the browsing data on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.